everyone. Recently, a lot of people ask me questions about how to cook rice with our rice cooker. Is it really not possible for them to cook good rice with a saucepan? My answer, of course, is no. You definitely can cook good rice with a saucepan. So today I'm going to share with you my way of cooking rice with a saucepan. To make rice, the most important part would be to have a right proportion of water and rice. What I usually use is a measuring cup like this. This is like a specific type of measuring cup. It usually comes with a rice cooker or instant pot. But if you don't have this type of measuring cup, it will still be fine to use any other type of measuring cup. So the best proportion of rice and water is 1 cup of rice with 1 cup of water. So here is the rice that I've already washed it, and then I will put 1 cup of water. And what I usually would do is that I would soak the rice in this water for about like 10 to 15 minutes before I start cooking it, so that the rice would be absorbing all the water, and then it can help to cook it faster, and then you don't need to worry about the rice is not cooked.